Top 5 Best Benchtop Multimeter in 2024. Product images. Number 1. ZOYI ZT5566 SE Benchtop Multimeter. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders. Reviews. Rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 2. New VC8145 Digital Benchtop Multimeter. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 3. OWON XDM 1041 Benchtop Digital Multimeter. Package include OWON XDM 1041 Benchtop Multimeter, power cord, additional fuse, multimeter lead, alligator clip, USB data cable, quick guide. Number 4. UNI-T Benchtop Digital Multimeter Tester. UNI-T Benchtop Digital Multimeter Tester AC/DC voltage, current meter, capacitance, ohm meter, frequency, temperature meter. UT801-804, UT801, UT802, UT803 Bench-type digital multimeter, equipped with full function display, full range overload protection, and unique exterior. It is used for measurements from smelting, electronics, telecommunications, manufacturing, petroleum, national defense, electric power, chemical industries, and it is a necessary experimental tool for laboratories in colleges and universities. UT804 is a 39,999 count auto range, true RMS, bench-type digital multimeter, equipped with full function and analog bar graph display. Full range overload protection, battery and electricity power supply, RS-232 and USB interfaces, $99.99 data storage and recall. It assist for measurements from smelting, electronics, telecommunications, manufacturing, petroleum, national defense, electric power, chemical industries, and it is a necessary experimental tool for laboratories in colleges and universities. 1. 40,000 count auto range /TRMS2. Analog bar display 3. Overload protection 4. Battery and cord dual power supply 5. RS-232 and USB interfaces 6. $99.99 data storage, standard accessories, test lead, alligator clip, point contact temperature probe, multi-purpose socket, only UT801/UT802, power adapter, only UT803, AC220V power cord. RS-232 interface cable, USB interface cable. Number 5. OWON XDM 1241 Digital Multimeter. This digital multimeter true RMS portable bench built-in battery multimetro tester meter DC/AC current voltmeter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.